So I just need to fix one problem with model that I have. Let's actually go and take a look on this. This model is, first I need to log in, master, then I need to go to my settings. I gotta go to settings, delete page. Yeah, on mobile screen it looks disgusting. What the fuck is wrong with this? Okay. Settings, index, yeah, it's right here. Save button, no. Oh, models, delete account model. And the delete account button. No, I need to actually add M. That's it. The problem solved. Almost. Let's take a look. Now if I make... Yeah, but I need to align it. Center line it. Right here. Center. Center. Is that good? No, it's not working. I'm curious. Oh, because this now is not centered. Center. Yeah. Dude. That's fucking weird. That's really, really weird. Let's see at this column. Maybe I need to add S12 like this. Yeah, that was the problem. Now it's good. And remove. Delete. Where's the title? I have a paragraph right here. Let's do not paragraph, but instead H3. Maybe H3 will be a better approach. Remove page. Yeah, dude. It's better. So one problem fixed. And the other problem I had, what's up with the padding? Model padding. Let's do at least 25. Let's do at least 25 of padding. Model padding 25. Yeah, that's fine. And I had another problem, and it was somewhere. I need to log out. And if I go and try to add receipt, but on mobile screen, look, it looks weird. Yeah. This is not good. That we don't see the button. Maybe I need to make an image smaller. Models, add receipt. I don't know. And why this image is not the synchronous navbar? Let's copy it. Data alt logam, delete inside and paste it right here. Height 110, data height 11. Let's do 80. Is it good? It's too small, but it's good on mobile. What if I will remove it on mobile screen? How do I do this? Helpers. Show. Hide on mobile. Hide on mobile. Really? What's the problem? Small. What the fuck? No. Hide on small only. Only. Small only. Yep, that was better. That's it.